So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export multiple pages as a PDF in Figma. And so to demonstrate, I've just set up 8 artboards here, and I've labeled them 1 to 8 so that we can see the order that they've exported in. And so previously I was trying to select all of the pages and go down to export, selecting PDF here, and then exporting the 8 layers. And so what you'll see will happen is it's going to export them all as individual PDFs. So if that's what you're wanting, then great, that's how to do it. But to export them as one single PDF, what you need to do is first order them all. And so it's going to export them from left to right and top to bottom. So it's going to export from 1 to 4 and then jump down a line and go 5 to 8. It's also going to export everything on this page. So if you've got other pages you don't want included, then you'll have to remove them, or you can select all of your pages, copy them, and create a new page and paste them in there. So once you're ready to export, what you need to do is go up to File, and then down to Export Frames to PDF, and select your color profile and your quality, and then press export. And so I'm going to export that out, and then we're going to go have a look. And so here is our new exported PDF, and if I open that up, you can see all of the pages are in the one PDF, and they're all in the correct order. And so that is how to export multiple pages as a PDF in Figma.